Children, this is part 4 of the same chapter which we were doing, chapter number 14, factorization. Last exercise from this chapter, 14.4. See children, in this only one question is there, and that question contains 21 parts. So question is, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So what we need to do, we have to find the errors and we need to change that errors, remove that error from the question. So see children, this is a whole expression we are having. Equal to sign is there. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. What we need to do, we need to make them equal. We need to prove them equal. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is your left hand side. So let's solve this. So when we open this bracket, 4x minus 20 we get. So this is the answer of left hand side. Okay, but in the right hand side we are having 4x minus 5. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what we need instead of this 5, we need 20. So this is the error and this we need to be changed if we want to make equal left hand side equal to right hand side. Getting my point? So we need to find the errors and we need to correct them. Okay, so next part 2 of this particular question. So again we are having this left hand side and this right hand side. So let's open left hand side. It gives you 3x square plus 2x. So in the right hand side we are having 3x square plus 2. So in the right hand side x is missing. In the right hand side x is missing. So what we need to do, we need to put x in the rightmost side. So we can say that when we are observing these two, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and when at right hand side we are correcting 3x square plus 2x, this x we are putting, then only left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, now let's move to the next part, third part. Okay, third part is 2x plus 3y. It gives you 5xy. No, now here two terms are there, 2x and 3y. Plus operator is there. Okay, so plus operator we can use plus operator only when they are like terms. Like term means they should have same variable. Here x is there, here y is there, so we are not able to add both of them. So we are having x and y in the rightmost side and 5 we are having. So in the left side we are having 2x plus 3y, and in the right side we are having 5xy. So instead of that we should have, so if we are having in the left side 2x plus 3y, or in the rightmost side instead of plus there should be multiply. Okay, and it should be 6 here. So anything we can change. So we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. In this also we can have anything, we can change anything from the leftmost side and rightmost side to making them equal. Okay, now let's discuss about question number 4. See, x plus 2x plus 3x. We are having 3 terms, 3 of them are like term because all are having x. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1x is 6. So 6x is not equal to 5x. So left hand side is not equal to rightmost side. So we want at rightmost side we want 6x. Okay, so instead of this 5x, if we are having 6x, then we can say that they are equal to each other and there is no error in this particular statement. Let's move to the next part. Now let's see the next part. Next part is 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. Now this all are like term because all are having y. So 5y plus 2y is 7y, 7y plus y is 8y. So in the leftmost side we are having 8y minus 7y. It means 1y is there. It is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So leftmost side is not equal to rightmost side. So if we want to make them equal, we want at right side y. Okay, so if we want to make them equal, we want at the right side, we want at the right hand side equal to y. Then only left hand side equal to rightmost side. Let's move to the next part. Now next part is 3x plus 2x equal to 5x square. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. So let's solve this leftmost side. This is 5x. And rightmost side we are having 5x square. So if instead of 5x square we are having 5x, then we can say that leftmost side is equal to rightmost side. So both are not equal to right hand side. So if in the right side 5x is there, then we can say that there is no error in this statement. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. We need to find the errors and we need to correct them. So I am telling you errors also, and how to correct them I am telling you that also. Now question number 7. Question number 7, concentrate on the left hand side. 2x square is 4x square. 4 into 2 is 8x plus 7. So this is your left hand side, and in your right hand side we are having 2x square plus 8x plus 7. So if we compare both of them, here is 4 and here is 2. So if in right hand side instead of 2x square 4x square is there, it should be equal to leftmost side. So we want in the rightmost side this. So after that only this particular statements are equal to each other. So basically initially they are not equal to each other. If we correct, instead of this statement we are writing this, then only they are equal to each other. Okay, now let's see the next part. 2x square plus 5x gives you 4x. Now see, in this we are having 2 equal to sign. So this is the leftmost side, this is the middle hand side, and this is the rightmost side. So we need to compare all sides. Okay, so leftmost side we are having 4x square plus 5x. In the middle hand side we are having 4x plus 5x. So both are like term, it should be equal to 9x. And rightmost side we are having 9x. Okay, so leftmost side is not equal to middle hand side and not equal to right hand side. Okay, so if in left hand side if 9x is there, then only 3 of side should be equal to each other. Okay, so in this way we can correct it. Now let's move to the next part, 9th part. So children, I am giving you this as homework. 9th part I am giving you homework. What you need to do, see 3x plus 2. So this is a plus b ka whole square. Open this formula and try to find out whether left hand side is equal to rightmost side or not. If it is not, so what changes we require to make it equal. So decide that. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, next question, question number 10. It belongs to the same part. We need to find the error and we need to change that wrong thing in the expression. So see what we have to do in this question, substituting x equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is the statement, x square plus 5x plus 4. What we need to do, we need to check whether this statement is right after putting x equal to -3. So x square plus 5x plus 4. So instead of x, what we need to do, we need to put -3. Okay, so concentrate here. According to this statement, if we are putting -3, whether this is right or wrong. So I am also solving, then we compare. Okay, so instead of this x square, I am putting -3 ka whole square, then 5 into -3 plus 4. So this statement is similar to my statement. Is it so or not? Yes. Okay, so 3 square minus 3 square is 9. 5 into 3 is -15 and plus 4. So now let's check this. So here 2 is there, but we need -15. So we are able to find out the error. So after solving that, 9 minus 15 plus 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 15 is -2. So we are getting -2 as answer, but they are getting 15. So this is wrong. So instead of this 2, we want -15. So this is the error. We need to solve this error. Okay. Now let's move to the next part of the same question, question number 10, where we need to substitute anything. So again, statement is different. Instead of this plus sign, we are having minus sign here. X square minus 5x plus 4. Okay. Okay. So x square minus 5x plus 4. Again, we need to put -3 in this. So let's put -3 in this particular statement. -3 whole square minus 5 into -3 plus 4. Okay, so let's see. This is right, this is right, and this is right. So this and this is matching with each other. Let's see next part. 3 square minus 3 square is 9 minus 15 plus 4. Okay, this is also right. Okay, so okay, see children, here -5 into -3, minus minus add, so plus sign should be there. Okay, plus sign should be there instead of minus. So this is wrong because here it is not matching. Minus sign is here, we are having plus sign here. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 15 is 28. So after solving this, we are having 28 and they are having -2. So here one error is there. If they remove this error, they will also get this 28. So this will be your answer. Okay, let's move to the next part. Now let's see next part. X square plus 5x. So this expression is there. Again we need to put -3 and then we need to check. So this part I am giving you homework. I hope you all are able to do this particular question as homework like we have done the previous one. Okay, now let's see question number 11. Question number 11 is the same question, like we need to find the errors and we need to correct them. So y minus 3 ka whole square. So y minus 3 ka whole square means a minus b ka whole square. So a minus b ka whole square, it gives you a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is y here and b is 3 here. So put this value inside this formula. You are getting y square plus 3 square minus 2 into y into 3. So y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, so you should have this answer in the rightmost side instead of this. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. In the rightmost side, this answer should be there. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now same similar question like we have just discussed the previous one. So here z plus 5, it means a plus b ka whole square formula we are going to use. Z square 5 square plus 2 into z into 5, because A is Z here and B is 5 here. So I have just put the value inside the formula. So Z square plus 25 plus 10Z. So left hand side is equal to this. So in the rightmost side also we want this only. So this is the error here. Okay, so instead of this we want this in the rightmost side. After that only they should equal to each other. Okay, now let's move to the next part. 2a plus 3ba minus b. So let's solve leftmost side. 2a multiplied by a minus b plus 3b multiplied by a minus b. It gives you 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ba minus 3b square. Okay, so 2a square minus 3b square, this minus 2ab plus 3ba gives you plus ab. So in the right hand side we need this. Okay, this is the answer of the leftmost side after solving that, but in the rightmost side also we want this only. Okay, so instead of this we want this answer. So this is the correction in this particular question. Let's move to the next part. Okay, now next 14th part I am giving you homework. It will be solved like the previous one only. They are similar to each other. Now let's move to the 15th. So this is your leftmost side, this is your rightmost side. Let's solve leftmost side. So a minus 4, a minus 2. So a is similar here, a minus 2 minus 4, a minus 2. A square minus 2a minus 4a plus 8. A square minus 6a plus 8. So instead of this we want this in the right hand side. This is your left hand side, so we want this. So this is a correction. Okay, let's move to the next part. See the question number 16. See, left hand side we are having 3x square upon 3x square. So both are numerator and denominator, both are having the same value. So cut down each other, we are getting 1. Okay, so left hand side is equal to 1 and right hand side equal to 0 according to the question. So in the rightmost side we want 1. After that only they are equal to each other. So we need a correction. In the rightmost side we want 1 there. Okay, now in the 17th part, 3x square plus 1 3x square. So we are having again left hand side, middle hand side and right hand side. So we need to be proved that 3 of them are equal to each other. So let's see left hand side, 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. So instead of this we can distribute this 3x square upon 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square, because this 3x square belongs to this 3x square or 1 also, both. So we are just spreading this thing. Okay, so they are cancel out each other. 1 is there, so 1 plus 3x square. So this is your leftmost side. So middle hand side is 1 plus 1 is 2, right hand side is also 2, but leftmost side is this. So now it's your wish whether you want middle hand side this and right hand side this, or you just want to change the left hand side. So if we change left hand side, all 3 become equal. Okay, and if we are changing middle hand side and right hand side, that time also all become equal. So this is your wish, which thing you want to, which side you want to change. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Next part is 18th part. 18th part is 3x plus 2 equal to 1 by 2. So we can't do anything now because both denominator is, we are having 2 terms in the denominator and 1 term in the numerator. Okay, we are not able to take common also, so we can just simply do one thing, we can change the rightmost side directly so that it should be equal to leftmost side. Okay, now 19th I'm giving you homework. It is similar to 18th one. Let's move to the next part. Next part is 20th, for 4x plus 5 plus 4x. So let's solve the leftmost side. 4x plus 5 gives you 4x. So again we are not able to have anything common here. Okay, so one thing we can do, we can say that 4x belongs to 4x and 5 also. Individually we can write equal to 5. So this will cancel out. So 1 plus 5 upon 4x. We need, this is your leftmost side, we need this answer. Instead of 5, this answer should be there in the right hand side. Okay, now this 21 part I am giving you homework. Try to do this question as in your homework. With this, this chapter number 14, factorization, we have completed. So in the next video we are going to start with new chapter. Try to do all question first by your own. After watching video, complete your written work. Sai Ram.